Hey everyone, I'm going to show you a brand new niche within the crypto space that is going to grow throughout the whole of 2025 because these are crypto coins based on AI agents. Now you're probably asking, what is an AI agent? Now, if you're aware of AI and ChatGPT, here's a clear definition that I got with the help of Grok on Twitter. The official definition is AI agents are autonomous software programs that utilize artificial intelligence to perform tasks on behalf of users within the cryptocurrency and blockchain ecosystem. Now, AI agents do exist outside of the cryptocurrency space, but a lot of people are now creating these AI agents with a cryptocurrency token back to it, and people are investing in these AI agents and the utility that it provides. So they operate independently, making decisions based on predefined goals or dynamic inputs from the environment. They can learn from their actions, adapting over time to even perform better. So what you can do, here's a couple examples of tasks that you can already perform. Is trading. They can execute trades, analyze market data, and make investment decisions 24/7 based on algorithms or AI models. Now I'll show you an example of a crypto trading one in a minute. So you can imagine the amount of possibilities that this can do. It can even create content like music or art. This is what some of the actual crypto AI agents are doing. They've set it up so that this crypto AI agent makes music on an autopilot and there is a crypto token back to it. So you can imagine the possibilities with this technology, especially as it grows throughout this year. So now you understand what AI agent tokens are. We're going to look at a few examples and then I'm going to show you how to find these AI agent tokens early and also what to look for as well. So you can find a lot of these AI agent tokens early, but it doesn't mean that they are going to propel to this absolute stupid market cap of 420 million within a couple months, which is one example that we're about to go through. So this AI XBT has got over 330,000 followers and it only joined in November 2024. The way these people have actually trained this bot to work is to go through Twitter and find all of the trending mentions of any cryptocurrency tickers, and then to use its own knowledge to give out trading tips automatically to people within the meme coin space. So not only does it give the crypto coin a shout out, it actually goes a bit more in depth into why you should invest into this token. And this is done all automatically through AI. It'll go through and sort of show you why you should invest into it. So this collected 26 million revenue in December, the coin underneath breaking 1.4 million daily revenue. So all it does is automatically go through and analyzes everything. Now, not only has it been done to shout out crypto tokens, there are so many different possibilities and utilities that are being used with this AI agent token. So I'm going to show you how to find these tokens early. What you will need is this Virtuals Protocol website. Now, all of the AI agents are all created through here. There are other websites as well that a lot of people use to create these, but this is the most popular one at the moment. So as you can see here, these are the main trending current AI agent tokens. And obviously you can log in with your email or you can continue and connect with a wallet, which is what I'd advise. If you've got a MetaMask wallet or a Coinbase wallet, then connect your wallet to this. This is on the Ethereum network. So if you're a creator of these tokens, you're limited to how you can promote it when it is in the prototype section. But when it goes into sentient, these tokens get a massive increase in volume. So if you can find a great AI agent token that is in the prototype section before it goes onto this sentient section, then there is a great possibility to get some incredible gains from this. So how do you find them? All you do is click on prototype, click new pairs, and it will show you the latest tokens that have been made. So you can see right here, this was created 5 minutes ago. Doesn't mean that it's going to be a good token, but we'll just use this as an example for now. At the moment, it's at 20k market cap. Here's one that I got into earlier. I like the look of it, and it's this Aura token. When I seen it, it literally was created 23 minutes ago, and it was at 150k market cap. Now, literally probably only 30 minutes later, it is at 783,000 market cap. What you need to understand with the cryptocurrency space is where focus goes and where more attention goes, then more money goes towards that. So because of the emerging trend that's happening right now with these AI agent tokens, more money is going to be filtered from the crypto space into these AI agent tokens. So how did I know if this was good or not? So at first, because it already started at 150k market cap, it gave me a great indicator that potentially it had more volume than the other ones in the new pairs. As you can see, when these new pairs start, they're all around 30k market cap, 20k market cap. And this one right here, if you could literally just remember, the war one, I don't know if it's worth investing into, maybe we'll look at it in a minute, but this was just at 30k market cap. Literally come back onto it, it's now at 40k market cap. And the power behind investing into these early, if you're not familiar with crypto, so imagine you invested into this token at 40k market cap right now. And imagine it becomes amazingly trending and is in one of the top spaces in the sentient section on virtuals. If you look at the ones with the highest market cap, the highest AIXBT is currently at $426 million, and it is only 2 months old. But let's say, for example, it does something similar to these tokens down here that are at 20 million market cap, and you invested in for $20 at 40k market cap. As soon as it got to a 20 mil market cap, your investment would now be worth over $10,000, and it is a 527x play. Now we've clicked back off and then back onto this. The war is now at 60k market cap. So if you would have invested when we first look at this, you would have already potentially doubled your money, and it was only created 14 minutes ago. So this is how I view and see if it's worth investing into any of these tokens. First, looking through the biography and what it actually describes and what it does. So the war is an intelligent and interactive agent designed to deliver real-time updates across a wide range of topics, including global politics, military technology, armed conflicts, patents, and emerging technologies. So it's actually a really great utility. It's acting like its own news media agency. So what I do for this then, if you like the look of the biography, if I'm happy with the holder distribution, then I'm looking at the social media channels that are provided in this section here. So this is the person who created this actual AI agent token. But what you do is you go and connect your MetaMask, make sure you exchange any of the tokens that you have, like your Ethereum tokens to virtual tokens, and then you can use this virtual protocol to get into these tokens early. Currently, one virtual protocol token is worth $3.35, and it was 50 cents in November. So you can see the growth that's been happening with this project. So yeah, hopefully this can guide you in the right lines to investing into these brand new AI agent tokens. Go on to the prototype and go to new pairs and look for the ones that have been created recently that have already got a market cap that is higher than 20k market cap. And obviously do your own due diligence into this space. This space is really new. Any unique utility would probably stand out as well, but a lot of people are creating very similar AI agent tokens and people are still investing into it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more trading content and crypto content. Leave a like and thank you for watching this video.